welcome to EIKV and this is Vishnu. So in this illustration we have two questions. Number one is to find out the turnover of the company as per Companies Act, as per Cost Audit Act, and also one is the reconciliation statement. So first we will check out the first question. So here we have Ampika Textile Private Limited, which is under the manufacturing of cloth and fabrics, and they are undertaking customer jobs, orders, and processing orders, clothes, optimal utilization of space capacity, and loan licensing. So some of the details has been given, and they have asked us to ascertain the total turnover of the company. So the details they have given are: sales include sales duty 1200, which constitute 20,500, trade sale 1150, export income 2100, export duty 450, income from processing 235, scrap sale 230, scrap sale is 235, and income from processing is 1100, income from loan licensing is 560. Then they have given a details of another company who is under the audit, and they have given the profit as rupees 29,60,000, and there is additional details is been given and to compute or to show the profit reconciliation statement. So the details which are given by that company is the company is also doing trading activity. The purchase amount is 6 lakhs, and the company has sold for that amount is 7,50,000 with a expense of 25,000. Some discarded asset has been sold off, that is profit from sale of fixed asset 90,000. Some renovation of machinery was carried out for rupees 6 lakh, having a period of life 5 years, but entire amount is charged to financial statement. Interest received rupees 1,40,000. On retirement payment has been made for rupees 3,50,000, and insurance claim process year was received for rupees 2,50,000. And also then they have given opening stock of raw materials and finished goods. So overvalued. Opening stock overvalued is 2,50,000, and when we check the closing value, it is also overvalued for rupees 1,10,000. The donation paid for CSR activity is 80,000. So first of all we'll check and how to do the turnover, or how to compute the turnover as per the Companies Act 2013. So first of all we have taken the sales amount by deducting the excise duty, that is 20,500 minus 1,200, that is 19,300. Then trade sale from export 1,150, then export income 2,100. After that, income from job processing 1,100, scrap sale 235, income from loan licensing rupees 560, which constitute a total turnover of 24,545. Okay, then I am going to explain the reconciliation statement. So first of all we go with profit as per financial statement, that is 29,60,000. Then we need to less or deduct all income which is received or which is reflected in financial statement but which will not form part of cost statement. Such incomes are trading activity, income from trading activity is a profit from trading activity. Then fixed assets sold, profit arrived from sales of fixed asset, then interest income, then insurance claim. So such incomes are incomes which reflect in financial statement but will not form part of cost statement. That's why it has been deducted from the financial profit to arrive costing profit. After that we have some of the expenses which form part of financial statement but will not form part of cost statement. So such expenses should be added back to arrive at costing profit and loss. So some of that expenses are the voluntary retirement amount, then donation, Then we have renovation of machinery. So over here, total renovation cost of the machinery is 66 lakh. Okay, the entire amount is taken for the P&L account. But when we check into that, the entire life of such renovation cost is life for such renovation is 5 years. So when we when we do the cost accounting statement, the entire amount will be divided by 5 years, and respective the renovation amount will be charged for respective 5 years equally. So over here, the entire amount is taken in financial statement, but 1/5 of the amount will be taken in cost statement. Therefore, the 4/5 of such amount should be added back. Okay, after that we have stock valuation. So stock valuation is opening stock minus closing stock, which will give 1,30,000, which needs to be added back with the financial statement to arrive at costing profit. Here we have here we have an opening stock of 2,40,000, and we have a closing stock is 1,10,000. So we have a difference of 1,30,000. So that amount needs to be added back to arrive at costing profit. Then we have the trading activity summary, which will give sales of rupees 7,50,000 minus the expense of rupees 25,000, and the purchase of rupees 6 lakh will give the profit of 1,25,000. So these are the details of this illustration. So guys, I hope you got clear and complete clarification regarding this illustration. Thanks for watching.